As we have seen, SolidWorks has a project library that contains standard elements, for example features and parts. In this class, we will learn a little more about this library called Design Library, focusing on library features. Come on, let's go. See that the Design Library is easily accessed through the Task pane. We expand the folder of the Design Library and note that we have several folders. We will use the Features folder. With this file available in the class, open, we will see how to insert a circular repetition from the library. We expand the Metric folder and click on the Hole Patterns folder. One detail that should be observed when adding library features to pieces is the geometry of the part. We must apply a feature that was originally created in a similar geometry, which facilitates the selection of reference entities. Let's add the circular hole pattern feature. We select, drag to the piece in the graphic area and drop the mouse click on the desired face. Please note that the Confirmation tab is displayed and we can also configure the properties through the Feature Manager. In the Placement Plane option we select the face or plane where the feature will be inserted. In the Configuration box, all settings are listed. We choose the configuration and note that a preview window is shown. The Link to Library Part option creates a link between the file where the feature was applied and its original file in the Design Library. Thus, any changes made to the original file will be extended to this part. In the next box References, we must select the reference entities as highlighted in the preview window. We select the edge shown, and see that the reference has been confirmed and the feature applied to the part. In the next box, by checking the option Override Dimension Values, we can edit the dimensions of the feature. Enabling this option, the link with the original file is broken automatically. We have confirmed the command and in the Feature Manager we have the library feature listed. Editing this feature allows you to change the configuration. We can exclude the indication of the library feature by keeping the entities applied. For this, we right-click on it and choose the option Dissolve Library Feature. Now, using this other model, also available in class, we will learn how to insert features into the library, which is important for entities we use frequently. Before adding the feature, it is important to create a custom folder so as not to change the default software settings. We click on Add File Location and create a folder on the computer. We have confirmed and have the folder displayed in the Design Library. It is also important to save the file because the unconsidered geometry will be lost. Then we select the features and click on Add to Library. In the Property Manager, we have the box showing the items that will be added. We enter a name for these entities and select the folder to save. We have confirmed the command and a message is displayed stating that details features that have not been selected for the library will be deleted. We confirm and have the feature inserted in the library. Now let's test the insertion of the feature in this piece. Drag and select references. OK, see that the feature has been entered correctly. We saw in this class the main features of the SolidWorks Operations Library, the Design Library, learning how to insert library features into pieces and also store features in the library.